Hey everyone, welcome back to English Chat Vibes.
It's great to see you all. We're your friends, Sarah and Mike.
And today we're going to have a simple, relaxing chat, just like friends do.
That's right, no complicated grammar rules today, just a natural conversation.
But you know what? Even in a simple chat, you'll hear some very important English tenses, so listen carefully.
And our topic today is our weekends and recent adventures. Everyone talks about that, right?
Absolutely. So let's just jump into it. Mike, how are you? What's new?
I'm good, Sarah, thanks. Actually, I'm pretty tired today.
Oh no, why are you tired?
Well, I didn't sleep very well last night. My neighbor's dog was barking for hours.
Oh, that's terrible. I hate when that happens.
Yeah, me too. But on a positive note, I had a really nice weekend.
Did you? Tell me about it. What did you do?
On Saturday, I went hiking with my brother. We drove to the mountains early in the morning.
That sounds wonderful. Was the weather good?
It was perfect, sunny but not too hot. We walked for about 3 hours. We saw a beautiful waterfall.
Amazing. I love hiking. Did you take any pictures?
Of course, I took a lot of pictures. I can show you later.
Please do. So you went hiking on Saturday. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I was more relaxed. I cleaned my apartment in the morning. Then in the afternoon, I watched a movie.
Fun. Which movie did you watch?
I watched that new superhero movie. It was okay, but not fantastic.
I haven't seen that one yet. Maybe I'll wait. Did you notice, friends? Mike just used the simple past a lot. I went, we drove, we saw, I watched. He talked about finished actions in his finished weekend. Saturday and Sunday are over, so we use simple past.
Right. It's all about completed things in the past. Now, Sarah, your turn. How was your weekend?
My weekend was interesting. Actually, I have some big news.
Really? What is it?
I've just started a new project. It's very exciting.
Wow, congratulations. What kind of project?
Well, you know I love baking, right?
Yes, you make the best cookies.
Thank you. So I've decided to start a small online bakery. I've already created a website.
No way. That's fantastic. When did you decide this?
I thought about it for a long time, but I finally decided last month. And this weekend, I've baked over 50 cookies for testing.
50? That's a lot of cookies.
Tell me about it. My kitchen is full of cookies. I've given some to my friends, and I've already received some good feedback.
Okay, friends, listen to Sarah now. She said, I've just started, I've already created, I've baked, I've given, I've received. This is the present perfect tense. She's talking about recent past actions, but the exact time is not the most important thing. The important thing is the result now. Her new project is happening.
Exactly. The project is my current reality. I started it recently, and it's still true now. So I use present perfect, have or has plus the past participle, like have started, has created.
Let's compare. Sarah, you said, I decided last month. That's simple past because you told us the specific time, last month, finished time.
Yes, but I've already created a website. No specific time. Maybe I created it yesterday or 3 days ago. The point is, it's done, and now we have a website.
Perfect. So for your bakery, have you chosen a name yet?
No, I haven't. That's the most difficult part. I've thought about many names, but I haven't decided yet. Have you got any ideas?
Hmm. Sarah's Sweet Treats?
Not bad, but I'll think about it. So you heard that. I haven't decided yet. We often use yet with the present perfect in negative sentences and questions.
And already in positive sentences. I've already created a website.
Good. Let's keep talking. So, Mike, besides your quiet Sunday, what else is new in your life? Any other news?
Well, I've recently taken up a new hobby.
Another one? You have so many hobbies.
I know. But this one is different. I've started learning how to play the guitar.
Seriously? That's so cool. How long have you been learning?
I've been taking lessons for about 6 weeks now.
And how is it going? Have you learned any songs?
It's going okay. It's harder than I thought, but yes, I've learned a few simple songs. My teacher is very patient.
That's great. So you said, I've been taking lessons for about 6 weeks. We use present perfect here with for to talk about something that started in the past and continues to the present. You started 6 weeks ago and you are still learning now.
Yes, if I said I took guitar lessons for 6 weeks, that means I did it in the past and now I've stopped. Finished. Simple past.
But you haven't stopped. You're still learning. So present perfect.
Exactly. And I've never played a musical instrument before. This is my first time.
I've never played. That's a life experience. Up until now. Another great use of present perfect.
Have you ever played an instrument, Sarah?
Yes, I have. I played the piano when I was a child, but I stopped when I was 15. I haven't played for years.
You played when you were a child. Simple past. Finished time in your life. I haven't played for years. Present perfect from the time you stopped until now.
You're getting good at this grammar, Mike.
I'm trying. So, your baking project, have you sold anything yet? Your first customer?
Not yet, but I have a plan. My friend is having a party next week. I've offered to make the dessert.
That's a great start. Free samples.
Exactly. If people like my cookies, maybe they will order. I've bought special boxes for them and everything.
You've really thought of everything. I'm impressed.
Thanks. I'm nervous, but excited. I've always wanted to have my own small business.
You said, I've always wanted. That's from the past until now, a dream you've had for a long time.
Yes. Speaking of dreams, have you ever been to a concert, Mike? A really big one?
Oh, yes, I have. I've been to several big concerts. Actually, I saw my favorite band live last year.
Lucky you. Which band?
I won't say because my music taste is old.
Okay, fair enough. So I've been to several concerts. Present perfect for general life experience. I saw my favorite band last year. Simple past for the specific event.
Perfect. You see, friends, we switch between the tenses all the time without thinking. It's about the meaning.
The key is to listen for the feeling. Is the action finished and locked in the past? Use simple past. Is it connected to now? Is it about your life experience, a recent action, or a situation that continues? Use present perfect.
And don't worry about mistakes. Just try. When you talk about your week, try to use both like we did.
Let's do a quick practice together. Friends at home, answer with us. Mike, ask me a question with ever.
Okay, Sarah, have you ever tried Japanese food?
How would you answer? Yes, I have. I've tried sushi and ramen. I tried sushi for the first time in 2018. It was delicious.
Good. A have you ever question gets a present perfect answer first, then you can give details with simple past.
My turn. Mike, what did you do last night?
Last night, I finished work, then I cooked dinner, I called my parents, I read a book for an hour. All finished, specifically last night, simple past.
Excellent. Okay, one more. Mike, how long have you lived in this city?
I've lived here for 10 years. I moved here in 2014. So have lived is present perfect for the continuing situation. Moved is simple past for the specific past action.
You're a natural teacher, Mike.
Thanks. I think we've talked a lot today.
We have, haven't we? We've covered a lot.
So, dear friends, your homework is easy. This week, tell someone about your weekend. Use the simple past.
And also tell someone about a recent piece of news in your life or something you've just started. Use the present perfect.
Just like we did. Keep it simple, keep it real.
Thank you so much for chatting with us today. We hope you found it useful and fun.
If you did, please let us know in the comments. Tell us about your weekend or something you've recently started. We love reading your stories.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Chat Vibes for more simple, friendly conversations to help you learn.
It means a lot to us. Keep practicing and remember, learning English is a journey. Enjoy it.
Bye for now.
See you next time.